Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this 4-pack of vent covers. Now these are washable, reusable, restickable 5.5 by 12-inch vent covers. And the nice part about these is they're kind of an opaque plastic material so that whenever you put them on, it does not interfere with the current aesthetic of your actual home. So whether you're sticking these to wood or whether you're sticking them to aluminum or whatever else, it still has a nice transparent look to them. So I will go stick one of these on and show you how it looks. So the purpose of this, again, is just to kind of adhere to a vent. It can work on a floor or a ceiling and just basically impede the airflow from coming into the room. And that way, if you have a room that is either too hot or too cold or too much airflow, you can block that off. This works great in both the summer or the winter to help improve energy efficiency and direct the flow of air within your home. You're going to peel off the back side of that and then just simply place it over vent. This one here is on a floor. And we're just going to put that over the top there like this. Just lightly press down. That is now adhered and there's no more air coming through the floor. If you do need to remove this, again, just simply peels off, doesn't hurt the finish, and you can go stick it somewhere else.